Kia ora whānau, it is Lauren here from Chasing Yard Shape Ball. I'm actually off to Christchurch today, but I decided I'd fly out to the Gold Coast today because it's a lot cheaper. But the catch is that I've got to catch 2 trains, 1 tram and a bus to get there, so it's going to take me about 4 hours to get there, but we're going to get there. So let's go on my travel day to Christchurch. Unexpectedly, we're now on train number 3. As I've always said, Queensland Queensland's public transport services is so shit. It honestly is. I'm now on one of those new trains like we had before and I broke down on it. It's bullshit. It seriously is. You know, obviously they don't think about anything other than the money. That's it. Save us a couple of dollars, let's go to India, outsource, and let's look what happens. Trains break down, and yeah. Anyway, I'm now at Central Station. It's got another 2 hours until I get to the Gold Coast, and when I get to Helensvale I'm going to get the tram and I'm going to stop at Surfers Paradise for a little bit, and then I'm going to head to the airport. On the Gold Coast officially. I'm actually at Surfers Paradise right now. I'm just having a pit stop and we'll keep going. So slight change of plan. I was actually going to do a vlog on the Beyond Burger that I just got at Loaded Fries, but I'm running out of time, so I'm actually having to get back on the tram and straight back down to the airport. The only reason why is because my train obviously got delayed before, so I'm running a little bit late, but I've got my burger, I've got everything I'll eat at the airport, so yeah. It's only taken me like nearly 5 hours to do it, but I'm here. Every time I fly somewhere, always have a beer, so look I am. You know, I've had a few issues with Jetstar, and I'm going to do a later vlog about this because it is actually really bad. You know, I've even actually requested for a window seat, even made sure that they knew about a window seat, and where did they put me? In the aisle. So I can't win. I seriously can't win right now. But I'm going to try and just tough it out, I think, somehow. It's a 3-hour flight, yeah, I know, but anyway, I still have my burger from Loaded Fries. I am going to eat that once I actually pass through security because there is more seating out there. But yeah, anyway, I'll get through to security. So I finally have time to eat my Beyond Burger, which is now cold, but it's taken me, what, 2 hours to actually get down here, so let's try. That is the best damn cheeseburger I've ever had. Yum. It's even better when it's cold. It is so good. It is really good. It tastes like a real burger. I reckon it's better than any other damn burger I've actually had. Vegan or non-vegan, it is that good. Anyway, I'm going to keep chewing on this. It is so good. And once I get through immigration and get on the plane, I'll be on my way to Christchurch. So, when I actually thought I was going to panic that I was going to get an aisle seat, I just went and checked with the gate staff and they said, I have the row to myself. So it means I probably can get some sleep on the flight tonight. So yeah, I'm kind of actually in need of a sleep anyway. So I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning and it's now 4:30 in the afternoon. I'm pretty tired. Anyway, I'll see you when I board. I have all 3 seats to myself in this row. Not tonight. When we back, I know not tonight. It feels like I can't hold on. To Christchurch. It's only been a very, very long travel day, but it's time to grab my bags, head across the road and show you something very different. So I'm going to actually cut this vlog short here. I'm so sorry that I didn't actually do it last night. I was just so tired that I just wanted to go to bed. But I'm actually at my new, the new place I'm actually staying here. I'll do a vlog on that in a couple of days. So, ka kite guys, ka kite.